Akani Paints Pty Limited was established in 2015 and is situated in Dinkowankowa Township within the Greater Tzaneen Municipality in Limpopo. The company is 100% black woman-owned by Ms. Kate Oliphant. The company manufactures water-based interior and external paint, roof paint and waterproofing, and supply their products to clients within the residential and commercial property market. The company experienced a productivity challenge in terms of the rising cost of raw materials, and to assist them to enable more effective and efficient operations management activities, they decided to implement Productivity SA's 6-month Kaizen program, which is a Department of Trade, Industry and Competition supply-side program managed by Productivity SA. As part of their productivity interventions, waste materials are recycled, including their packaging buckets. Old paint which fails quality standards during production are usually regrind and sold at lower prices. An automated dispensing colorant tinting machine was introduced, which resulted in a reduction of customer turnaround waiting time. And a new product was launched in early 2022 to target the lower income market. This product guarantees the company an additional revenue stream of more than 20,000 Rand monthly. This milestone has been achieved through mentoring programs, technical support and entrepreneurial skills, including export market programs through the Small Enterprise Development Agency, Productivity SA, the Limpopo Economic Development Agency, as well as the Greater Tzaneen Municipality. As a result of the implementation of their productivity initiatives over the period 2021 to 2022, the implementation of the ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System resulted in a quality improvement from 40% to 90%, an improvement of 50%. Product testing with SABS resulted in product quality increasing from 30% to 90%, an improvement of 60%. Absenteeism decreased from 30% to 10%. Customer satisfaction increased from 50% to 80%. Total productivity increased from 80% to 161%. An overall improvement of 81%. And number of employees increased from 8 to 21. Akani Paints is an active member of the South African Paint Manufacturers Association, and safety audits are done annually by the Chemical Industries Education and Training Authority for compliance purposes and by the Department of Employment and Labour through the Tzaneen Municipality. As part of their social upliftment initiatives, they have been involved with fundraising activities for schools within their community. Akani Paints, as an emerging business, has shown that everything is possible with determination, and that they will live up to their vision and mission to be the best innovative employer within the Limpopo chemical industry by creating sustainable jobs within their community. Azania Clothing Investment Pty Limited is situated in Johannesburg in Gauteng. The manufacturing plant has been operating for more than 25 years, but was taken over by Azania Clothing Investment in January 2019 as an ongoing concern with 37 staff members. The business operated as a subcontractor in the corporate uniform sector and operated very informally without proper infrastructure for admin, finance and technical. The company had 2 contracts in place that barely brought in a profit, and during the onset of COVID-19, they lost both contracts. Azania was at the brink of closure early in 2021 with only 17 staff members, and decided to venture into manufacturing fashion clothing on a subcontract basis. Entrance into this sector was disastrous, as they could not get the quality or productivity right on the new product, and it became another loss-making exercise. Some of the challenges that contributed to lower productivity and rejects entailed high incidence of sewing waiting time due to insufficient throughput, lack of end-to-end planning and monitoring, insufficient skilled workers in critical areas of production, and no clear guidelines of management authority and accountability. To prevent closure, the company adopted an industrial engineering approach to manufacturing, with the aim to reduce rework rate by 80% or higher and increase productivity by a minimum of 50%. The company joined Productivity SA's 6-month Kaizen program and contracted a private productivity consultant to facilitate implementation. As a result of the implementation of their productivity initiatives over the period October 2021 to June 2022, improved line outputs resulted in an increase from 32 garments per hour to 60 garments per hour, an improvement of 87% on like-for-like styles. Reduction of rework rate on their new products reduced from 38% to 8%. Absenteeism decreased from 23.5% to 1.6%. Turnover increased from 5.2 million rand in the last financial year to a projected turnover of 13.4 million rand by February 2023. And employees increased from 17 to 67 employees, an improvement of 295%. In the next 2 to 4 months, they plan to invest in another sewing line of 22 machines, which will create an additional staff complement of 25 team members. As part of their social upliftment initiatives, they donate to a church that runs a street feeding scheme in the Randburg area. And they donate on a monthly basis water to a community in KZN that has had no drinking water since April this year due to the floods. As a company, we will continue to adopt world-class manufacturing methodologies to ensure our sustainability and relevance as a business and as an employer.
We started with Productivity SA late last year with a grant to train our staff. At that stage, we were on the brink of closure due to COVID, and with the additional help of a consultant, we managed to change our approach to manufacturing using work-study initiatives on the factory floor. We see this as a journey of continuous learning and improvement, and will strive to expand further with these levers firmly embedded in the DNA of our company.